Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on dollar yen. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the monthly perspective, we can see the dollar yen showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade dollar yen. Looking at monthly, first of all, now from the monthly perspective, we can see the dollar yen showing significant bullish trading opportunity currently. Overall picture, we saw that after this monthly bullish candle, previous month has formed this candle which has a long wick at the bottom. Now at the same time, we see that dollar yen was maintaining series of higher low on the monthly perspective, maintaining this support zone. And this month, once the market opened, we have seen the sellers try to sold this market to create a new lower low, but failed to do so. We saw that dollar yen has created a higher low, maintaining a long-term trend along the zone, and the price has been rejected to the upside. Now with that rejection, what I think the dollar yen might be going to this resistance level where we see that there's a monthly opening and closing zone, and highly likely dollar yen might try to break this high event to create a new higher high before creating any move to the downside. So with that being said, currently dollar yen showing significant bullish movement. Now if we look at the weekly perspective, we see that dollar yen from the weekly respecting this support zone here. We saw there is a support here movement, and again the price has come to the same level, and we have seen this big bullish candle followed by this movement to the upside on the weekly. Now previously we have seen weekly impulse here has come back to the same level of support. Now currently dollar yen again moving to the upside. What I think that, as you can see, there is an imbalance in that zone on dollar yen on the weekly doji. Highly likely that this price, as it has broken all this resistance, we could see an impulse to the upside to fill that imbalance, and then we can expect again to come back down to this support level, and we could see consolidation in that zone on dollar yen with a upward bias. So with that said, on the weekly perspective as well, dollar yen showing significant bullish trading opportunity. Now from the daily perspective, we see a bit more clearer picture how we can trade dollar yen. We see that first of all, there is a long week candle on the daily with this pin bar has caused this movement to the upside, and again has come back to the same level of support. We saw this is the daily impulse on dollar yen. Previous day we saw this doji has formed. Now this is the daily doji has still not been tested the lower part of this daily week. What I think that dollar yen later today we could see further drop on the lower time frame to test some part of this long week, as this is another imbalance that has not been tested yet. What I think that at any point we could see, even during the news release, we could see dollar yen is melting down to this level. Probably will test the half of this daily doji, and then we can expect a bullish move to the upside. So from the lower time frame perspective, we see that this level is aligning with this top of this doji, where this is the 4 hour candle, which is an important doji. And we saw that when the price has created this intraday movement, this impulse followed by this triangular pattern, we have seen break to the downside, liquidity grab, and the price has broken to the upside, which is a rule of thumb. We have seen that happen. The price grab liquidity, now it is likely to be trending in that direction. So we could potentially see a retest of this resistance. As we saw, the price has grabbed liquidity from here, a reversal pattern on the lower time frame breakout. We can expect now come back down again, test this previous resistance as a support along with this 4 hour 20 EMA. We can expect dollar yen to have a bounce to the upside. So this is the zone. If we even on the look at the 1 hour chart, we see that already the price grabbed liquidity once, but the bulls couldn't break this high, and we see the market is again coming down. What I think that highly likely the price is likely to come back to this neckline of this reversal here, this resistance turn support here, and along this zone, once you will find suitable entry opportunity on dollar yen, we will consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button And also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading dollar yen. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.